Hi, I'm Chandu Dissanayake and my student ID is BSCP CS 63127, as you can see here. So, first I would like to describe the purpose of doing this video. This video recording is for covering the task D1. It is required to create a YouTube API and then analyze the data relevant to some keywords. So first I show my YouTube API. Console, cloud, Google. So data science D1 is my project, and this is project ID, this is project number. We can simply go to the credentials and view our API key. This is the API key I created for this task, and then enabled API and services. YouTube data API version 3. So this is enabled here for doing my task D1. So that's how I created the API key. Then in my one it is about COVID-19 pandemic. That means YouTube API is about to receive the data about COVID-19 pandemic from the news channels Fox News, BBC News, CNN and MSNBC. So after that they should be analyzed. When we considering about data science, it is like a detective work with computers. It is about finding patterns and useful information in data to help make better decisions. So in this module, up to now I learned a lot of new things about data science. One programming language also improved by this module. It is Python. So I improved my Python skills by this module also. So mainly we use two libraries for this module for data analyze. Those are pandas and seaborn libraries. So then when considering about data cleaning and preparation, first I gathered data with the use of API key I made for YouTube. Then with the use of .info function, I checked CSV files for identifying or understand data about its structure. Then at one point check and modify data format, and also check for any repeating values to maintain data integrity. So after that this is my task D1. It is about analyzing YouTube video data from news publishers. So first it says to create that YouTube API I created before. After that we should run the collect.ipynb file. So after running it, we get two CSV files as videos and comments. Then using those two we should analyze the data. So then first here it says that copy your settings from section B of the collect.ipynb file below. I copied it. Then these are about imports. You need to import the following libraries, so I import that. So after that, write Python code that prepares the data for analyzing the videos and comments. First load the videos and comments data frames from their respective CSV files. First we need to configure our CSV files here by loading those two CSV files to here to this data frame. I load it as I load videos.csv as a videos underscore df, and other one is comments.df. So like that. E dot analyze the videos and comments. So E1, I completed it. So E1.1, compare the distributions of the number of views, likes and comments for the videos. So first I checking the information of video.csv file using info function. You can see here the column names and data types. First load the data and then columns, and then configure the figure, looping, then finally display using plt.show. You can see here the three graphs, and I get some observations. Like count distribution. The graph displays a right skewed distribution, meaning that while some YouTube videos have a lot of likes, that majority of videos have few or no likes. So it says that you can see here the graph displays a right skewed distribution. You can see here, meaning that while some YouTube videos have a lot of likes and the majority of videos have few or no likes. You can see here. Observation 2 is view count distribution. The graph also demonstrates a right skewed distribution, indicating the most viewed have few views and minority have many views. So observation 3, comment count distribution. So comment count distribution is comparable to the other two, with a small percentage of videos having a high number of comments and the majority of videos having a low number. So after that, E1.2, what is the total number of views, likes and comments for the videos published by different news publishers or channels. So load the data, videos.csv as data, then calculate total views, likes and comments by publisher as like here. So after that, create subplots, then finally display the plot using plt.show. Like this, you can see the graphs or visualizations. So observation 1 is total view count by publisher. CNN has a substantially higher total view count than BBC News, Fox News and MSNBC according to the graph. This implies that more people are watching CNN's videos. So as like this, there are 3 observations. You can see here CNN is higher, then E2 and E2.1. What are the top 10 comments with the most replies? For each comment, display the channel title, comment text and the total number of replies that comment has received. Load data, comments, videos, then join videos data frame to get channel title as like this, and select relevant columns, group by, filter and sort and get top 10 by reply count. In here we get top 10 by this reply count, then display using print. Here you can see the output. Briefly discuss your observations. So there are 3 observations. I got 3 observations. So when considering the comments from 2 channels, CNN and Fox News are included in the comments with top 10 comments with most replies. CNN and Fox News. CNN and Fox News here. So the comments are related to health and safety protocols in relation to COVID-19 pandemic. So the reply count column shows that the number of replies each comment has received. According to data, there are no any replies for the comments. there are no any replies for the comments, as like this you can see here. So after that 2.3, load the data. After that, calculate total comments per month and publisher removing outliers. Finally, create the bar plot as previous, as same. Here there are 4 observations. BBC News. When it comes to BBC News, after April 2020, there is a noticeable decline in the overall quantity of comments on BBC News, with very few comments in the month that follow and only a small increase in the latter half of 2020. This might be the result of modifications to audience behavior, content strategies, or other elements. So CNN has consistent level of comments throughout 2020 and into 2021, with some fluctuations but no clear trend of increase or decrease. So as like this, there are 4 observations. You can see here the graphs. So that's how I complete my D1 task. So when considering about challenges I faced during this task, mainly about the creation of YouTube API. So there's a YouTube video and other helps for to create the YouTube API. So with the use of these tools, I create the YouTube API, and I identified the purpose of creating YouTube API and others. So I think data analyzing part is somewhat familiar to me, because I engage with data analyzing parts previous as well as this one. So YouTube API creation part is somewhat new for me, so that's why I struck with that. So after I watched this video and those stuff, so I overcame these challenges. So thank you.